Hey everybody, today I'm trying a new recipe, turkey burgers with mild banana pepper rings. There's your turkey burgers getting ready to go into the toaster oven. 10 minutes on broil, and I'm getting everything ready with the condiments and everything else. There's the turkey burgers, there's the rolls, getting ready to cut the rolls. The banana rings, and I have some diced tomatoes. I'm going to cook both of those condiments with the turkey burgers. Got the rolls ready for toasting. There's the turkey burgers. Flip them over, add your peppers and your tomatoes. Back in the toaster oven on broil for 10 minutes. There's the settings on the toaster oven. Now, there's the cooking going on. Okay, I put everything back in my small little fridge very neatly. There's your ketchup, no salt added, Heinz. Okay, there's your second session of cooking. Put a paper towel to wipe up the grease. And there's your turkey burgers with mild banana pepper rings and diced tomatoes, topped off with Heinz ketchup, no salt added. That's about it for today. Follow me on TikTok at Exacta45. Like and subscribe.